Hello, once again, welcome back to the Power Bank. And again, this is Teacher Jesse, and today I will be discussing with you about addition and subtraction of integers using tiles. Okay, let's start with a drill. Give an integer to represent the following situations. We have number 1, spending 500 pesos. Okay, it is negative 500. Number 2, going 3 kilometers upstream. Okay, positive 3 since it is upstream. Number 3, 12 years from now. Positive 12. Number 4, 35-minute under time. Okay, negative 35. And 90 kilometers north. Okay, it is positive 90. Did you get all correct answers? Okay, great job. Let's proceed with our review. Compare the following integers using relation symbols greater than, less than, or equal. Okay, for number 1, we have 0 is greater than negative 2. Number 2, negative 11 is greater than negative 12, of course. Okay, number 1 is greater than negative 100. And negative 30 is greater than negative 31. And they are equal, 8 and positive 8, because a positive number can be written without this sign. Okay, did you get all correct answers? Okay, very good. This time we are going to proceed with our topic for today, which is addition and subtraction of integers using tiles. Okay, but before that, did you know how to add or subtract integers without using a calculator? Okay, how about trying this one? Okay, try these exercises. We have number 1, negative 2 plus positive 5. Okay, the answer is positive 3. Did you get the correct answer? Okay, great job. Number 2, positive 10 plus negative 3. Okay, the answer is positive 7. And number 3, positive 5 minus positive 9. Okay, so the answer is negative 4. If you got the correct answer, then great job. Okay, so how do we get those answers, or these answers, positive 3, positive 7, and negative 4, without using a calculator? Okay, that is our target for today, and we are going to discuss it in an easy way by using the counter tiles. Okay, this is a tile representing a positive or positive integer. This is a negative integer, so it means it is one positive integer, and this is negative 1. So it's definitely like that. Positive 1 and negative 1. Okay. Remember this. A pair of positive and negative integer is called a zero pair. It means if we are going to pair these two integers, a positive and negative, it will give us 0 or a zero pair. So this is 0, this is also 0, and the remaining, or the answer, depends on the remaining tile or the tiles. In this case, there is only one yellow tile which is a positive integer. It means that the answer is positive 1. Okay? So let's apply these concepts on the previous exercises. In the gearing up activity, these are the 3 questions, and we have these answers. Now we are going to check whether these answers can be solved using the counter tiles. We have number 1, negative 2 plus positive 5 is equal to positive 3. So we are going to check, or we are going to use the solution of the solution using the counter tiles, or the tiles. So first thing that we are going to do is we are going to, of course, write 2 or negative 2. And if you are going to write negative 2, this is negative 1 and this is negative 1. So there are 2 negative tiles. So it is representing negative 2. Next is we are going to, since we are going to add, then we are going to add the bottom or below these 2 counter tiles, positive 5. And since a positive tile or a positive number is represented by this one, so we are going to draw 5, or we are going to represent by 5 counter tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we just apply the zero pair. So we are just going to cross out or cancel out these two. And there is a remaining of 3 positive tiles. It means 1, 2, 3. The answer is positive 3. And this is correct. Okay? So by using the counter tiles, adding or subtracting integers could be easier or easily done. Okay? Next is the second problem, which is 10, positive 10 plus negative 3. It should be positive 7. So let's try to show it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 positive tiles and 3, negative 3. Okay, and then cross out. And the remaining, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is positive 7. And our answer is correct. Next, we have the last one, which is negative 5 minus positive, positive 5 minus positive 9, which is negative 4. So how are we going to do it? If you are going to observe, this is a subtraction symbol. In using tiles, I am recommending you to transpose this into a positive or an addition symbol. And how? Just interchange the two. Okay? Interchange the two. This positive will transfer here and this negative will be written here. Anyway, if you are going to combine a positive and a negative, the result is always negative. Okay? Or unlike signs, combined together, the result is negative. So, in this case, if you are going to transfer positive or plus sign or addition sign here and negative sign here beside 9, the answer is not affected. So, it is, or it becomes positive 5 plus negative 9. The purpose of changing into positive or into addition sign so that we can still apply those concept of adding counter tiles. So we are going to draw 5 positive tiles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then add below negative 9. So negative 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, after that, we're going to cancel out the zero pair, and we have the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4. By the way, if you are not convinced or if you are not sure with your answer, we can check using our calculator. So let's try to check using a calculator. Okay? So this time, we'll use this one. Positive 5, okay, 5 is positive. And then minus 9, minus positive 9. Okay, so 5 minus 9 is negative 4. Or if we are going to check using this one, this statement, number sentence, we have positive 5, positive 5 plus negative 9. So plus 9, which is a negative. Okay, plus negative 9, which is still, it is negative 4. So by using the calculator and by using the tiles, we got the same answer. Okay? So next. Therefore, negative 4 is correct. Okay, this time we are going to practice what we have discussed. So I will give you a few seconds to answer it, or you can pause the video if you need more time. Let's start with number 1. Positive 8 plus negative 4. Okay, so we are going to draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then cross out. And the remaining, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is positive 4. Did you get the correct answer? Okay, great job. Next, number 2. Negative 5 plus negative 4. Start. Okay, so negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And since we cannot cancel out, there are no zero pair, then we are going to count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 negative tiles, so it is negative 9. Did you get the correct answer? Okay, great job again. And we have number 3. Positive 4 plus negative 6. Go. Okay, it is positive 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then negative 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 0 pair, and we have 2 negative tiles remaining. The answer is negative 2. How about your answer? Okay. And last one, positive 4 minus positive 7. Start. Okay, so once again, this is a subtraction, so we just interchange them. So this becomes positive 4 plus negative 7. So positive 4, 3, 4, and then negative 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we cross out, and we have the remaining 3 negative tiles. The answer is negative 3. Okay. So this time we are going to master the skill. Once again, I will give you a few seconds to answer it, and if you need more time, you can pause the video. Number 1, negative 2 minus positive 8. Go. Okay, so since it is subtraction, then we interchange them. It becomes negative 2 plus negative 8, so negative 2. And negative 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And since we cannot cancel out, there are no 0 pairs, then we just count them. This is 8, 9, 10. The answer is negative 10. Did you get the correct answer? Okay, we have number 2. Positive 5 minus negative 7. This one looks challenging. Start. Okay, so this is another concept. I did not discuss this with you earlier. So what we're going to do is, if there are the same signs, we have negative and negative, just combine them into one and they become positive. Okay? Just remember, in integers, same signs will become positive if combined together, and unlike signs or negative positive will combine, they become negative. Okay, so positive and positive is positive. Negative and negative is positive because they are the same. But negative and positive combination of negative and positive is negative. So this becomes negative and negative becomes positive. So, okay, when 2 negative signs appear next to each other, just combine them into a positive sign. So it becomes positive. So the new equation will be 5 plus, or positive 5 plus positive 7, or no need to write this positive. Okay, so 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obviously, it's 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So we have 7. You may not need this tiles anymore because it's obviously 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Okay, if you are not sure with your answer, or if you are not really convinced, then we are going to check using the calculator. So we will use this one because of course we know that 5 plus 7 is 12. So 5 minus, okay, minus negative 7. Negative 7. Okay, 5 minus negative 7 is equal to 12. Okay, you see, using the calculator and using the tiles, we have the same answer. So 5 minus negative 7 is equal to 5 plus 7. Okay, that's a new concept. Okay, did you get the correct answer? Okay, great job. Next, this one. Negative 5 minus negative 7. Go. Okay, once again, we just combine them and they are going to become plus or positive sign. So negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 7, positive 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 0 pair, and we have positive 2, the answer. Okay, so, okay, based on the given examples and discussion, did you figure out how to add or subtract integers without using tiles? Okay, I hope so. At the first, you may need the tiles, and by constant practice and more exercises, you will later find out how to, or figure out how to add or subtract integers without using these tiles anymore. But that's the topic that we are going to discuss in the upcoming videos that I will make. So for today, that's all for today so far. And thank you very much for sharing this video to others. I hope that this video can help or would help those students who are studying and struggling, especially amidst this COVID-19 pandemic and this new normal way of learning. Do not forget to like and share this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos to for so that you'll be notified with more videos that I'll be uploading later on. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.